How to customize blog layouts in Wix Studio. To do that, we need to head over right here to our blogs, head over right here to our posts, and from in there, we should be able to see in here any post that we have created recently. So what you can do in order to customize the layout is just click onto this edit option, and then you can customize the layout from the content itself. So let's wait for the editor to open. And in here we have the title. You can change off the font size as well as the font style. You can add some things. You can underline it, highlight some things. You can also utilize this plus option right here in order to add some elements like images, galleries, videos, strips, files, buttons, and a lot more. So for this one, make sure to publish it once you're done. I'll show you a preview of what it looks like. So here's our own blog. So our blog right here encompasses of the title, the author, the likes, the views, the comments, and we have in here the social buttons. We have in here the whole article. And once you have head over, we have in here the actual image. And we also have in here the same thing on the bottom. And we have in here the comments that we already have. So that's how you customize blog layouts in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.